So good morning student. I am Biswajit Chandra, TGT Math of KV Tarkesar. Today I am going to give a lesson and knowledge about the AP. AP means arithmetic progress. This is a new chapter to you. So be attentive, pay attention and get the knowledge about the AP. AP is nothing but a list of numbers in which each term we get here by adding something to get a next term except first term. Means first term if it is given, then with some number we have to add it and then we will get the next term, such as first term A, then you have to add D with this, then you will get A plus D, then again A plus D equal to A plus 2D. Like this it will be going on and up to A plus n minus 1D to get the n term. So here see, D is common difference, n is called number of terms, D is the D normally we write second term minus first term, means A2 minus A1 or A3 minus A2 or A4 minus A3, means next term minus previous terms up to an minus 1 term. Suppose example 1, 2, 3. So this is the form of AP and this is called AP. Example I am giving you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like this. The difference between each term 2 minus 1 भी जो है 3 minus 2 वही है, again 4 minus 3 same, again in this, and it is going up to infinity. That's why it is called infinite AP. Don't worry, you will be very knowledgeable person about the AP. Just see one more AP, 6, 9, 12, 15, means the difference between each term 9 minus 6 equal to 3, 12 minus 9 equal to 3, 15 minus 12 equal to 3, 18 minus 15 equal to 3, 21 minus 18 equal to 3. This is finite and this is closed one, so we are not going up to the infinity, so it is finite AP. Now general forms of an AP is, you have to remember this: A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. Now we are going to exercise 5.1. There is one question they have told: does the situation below are in AP and why? अगर AP में है तो क्यों है, आपको जस्टिफाई करना पड़ेगा. The taxi fare after each kilometer when fare is rupees 15 for first kilometer and second kilometer rupees 8 for each kilometer, means third kilometer again 8 rupees you have to additional kilometer you have to give. Means अगर एक टैक्सी फेयर का प्राइमरी पहला किलोमीटर का जो फेयर है दैट इज़ 15 रुपीज़, उसके बाद जितना किलोमीटर होगा हर किलोमीटर के लिए 8 रुपीज़ आपको देना पड़ेगा. ये आपका AP में है कि नहीं दिखाने बोला है. लेट अस सी. फेयर फॉर द फर्स्ट किलोमीटर इज इक्वल टू 15, सेकेंड किलोमीटर 15 प्लस 8 23, थर्ड किलोमीटर 31, fourth kilometer 31 plus 8 equal to 39, So 15 ups. Now see difference between D1, D1, D2, D3 means second term minus first term, third term minus second term, fourth term minus third term equal to 8. Means there are common difference equal to 8. So they are this series are in AP. Now second, amount of air in a cylinder when vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air remaining in cylinder at a time. ना वो बोल रहा है कि एक सिलेंडर में जो एयर था, वॉल्यूम था, उसको वैक्यूम हर बार वैक्यूम करने से 1/4 लीटर ऑफ द एयर रिमेन हो जाता है, निकल जाता है. तो कुछ तो रिमेन होता है. जब फर्स्ट टाइम 64 लीटर, लेट द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द सिलेंडर इक्वल टू 64 लीटर they have given. Now let the volume of the cylinder equal to 64 liter. First time we are removing 1/4 equal to 64 into 1/4 equal to 16. Second time, so remaining 48. Second time 48 of 1/4 equal to 12. Remaining 36 liter remaining. Again third time 36 into 1/4 into 9. This is 27 liter remaining. So we are getting 64, 48, 36, 27. This series, now see D1, this D1 equal to minus 16, D2 equal to minus 12, D3 equal to minus 10, minus 9. So D1 not equal to D2, not equal to D3, means this series are not in AP. Next, question number 2.1. Write 4 terms when A is equal to 10, D is equal to 10. First term 10, second term 10 plus 10, third term 10 plus 2 into 10, fourth term 10 into 3, 10 plus 3 into 10 equal to 40. So 10, 20, 30, 40. They are in series. So third question number 3, 2 में दिया हुआ है given. AP में दिया हुआ है, जो गिवन AP दिया है -5, -1, 3, 7. -5, -1, 3, 7. Like this they have given. So we are getting the first term equal to -5 and second term CD. CD means देखिए यह -1 minus of -5 like this. Every time we are getting common difference equal to 4. So CD is equal to 4. So we have got first term and common difference. Now they are telling are 2, 4, 8, 16 in FE? If so, find common difference and next 3 terms. Next is also first term is 2. It is given D1 equal to 2, D2 equal to 4, D3 equal to 8. So D1 not equal to D2, not equal to D3. That is no common difference. So they are not in FE. They are not in FE. Like this. Question number 13. Root 3, root 6, root 9, root 12. This may be written as root 3, root 2 into 3, then 3, 2 root 3. So D1, D2, D3